Hello, thank you for visiting our channel. In this video, I want to show you how to make this beautiful butterfly design invitation. Our download includes two versions of the file. One with score lines to use with your scoring stylus or scoring wheel, and another file with a name starting with SVG, which features pre-attached dash lines. This one requires no extra setup, just upload and cut with your standard fine point blade. I will be using the file that requires configuring the score lines. Once you have uploaded the file to Cricut Design Space, expand the layers in the Layers panel on the right. Identify the fault lines and change the operation of each corresponding layer from cut to score. Ungroup the set using the icon shown in the right-hand panel. On the next step, select the card layer along with its respective score line and click Attach. This white rectangle is the optional insert. If you're not going to use it for this project, you can simply delete it using the trash icon or hide it by clicking the eye icon. Now our card is ready to cut. Notice that both the cut and score operations are active on the exact same cutting mat. Now I'll select my favorite cut setting, cardstock for intricate cuts. In my case, I switched the default scoring tool from the scoring wheel to scoring stylus. I am using my Cricut Maker machine. It's time to cut. For this project, I am using a 91-pound Pearlescent White Cardstock. But you can also use 80-pound. It is super important that your cutting mat has enough grip. I also like to add tape around the edges to secure the cardstock even more onto the mat. My top recommendations for a perfect cut are: first, use a cutting mat with enough adhesion. Second, make sure your blade is nice and sharp. Third, use a high-quality 80-pound cardstock. Fourth, use the cardstock for intricate cut setting. And fifth, this is optional, but use mirror function when cutting. While the machine is cutting, I want to let you know that you can find the cut files in the link in the description below. It's an intricate butterfly design, so gorgeous and absolutely perfect for sweet, elegant invitations for any special occasion. Now it's time to assemble. Fold along the score lines and crisp up the creases using a bone folder. glue everything together just like I'm showing you here. I am using the inserts that I already have. These PNG files featuring colorful butterfly corners and frames are included in the zip folder as an extra bonus. I use them to decorate both the inserts and the envelope. Thank you so much for watching our video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We will keep sharing new videos and SVG cut files so you can create brand new and even better projects with your cutting machine. To make the envelope, I printed the butterfly design as digital paper on an 8.5 by 11 inch sheet. And then, I cut the envelope SVG template out of this decorated paper. We have included the template for this envelope in the download. It's ideal for 5 by 7 inch invitations. And you'll need 85-pound cardstock, or paper. either in 8.5 by 11 or 12 by 12 inches to make it. Thank you so much for watching our video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We will keep sharing new videos and SVG CAD files so you can create brand new and even better projects with your cutting machine.